How to check Instagram call history. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I will be showing you how to check Instagram call history. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram, and once you're inside here, just click on Messenger application or Messenger icon over here at the top right corner, and once you're inside here you can see all of your chat. So let's say I want to see my call history with this particular person. So I will be seeing all of my history like this. As you can see, audio call started, and similarly video call, audio call as well, just like this. So similarly for this second person, I can also view my call history, my last call history, just like this, by heading over to that particular account. So but there is no any actual option currently on Instagram to directly view all of the chat history or call history. So I hope the update will take place on Instagram, because there is no any option, direct option, to view or the call history of all of your persons at once. So what you can do is you can just find that particular person and find out how many times you have called them to check out call history one at a time. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.